Recently got a request from one of our followers on Facebook to showcase the other functions of quantity surveying apart from the Bill of Quantities and program of works preparations that I normally upload. So in this video, I'll briefly highlight the other areas that are within the pricing modules I use in my videos and in my work in general. The first part of the module consists of a tabular presentation of the required material quantities titled Materials Procurement in Stages. The second part of the module consists of the Bill of Quantities, abbreviated BOQ, though I only show the summary page when I present my work to clients. The third part of the module consists of the Resources Console, which basically shows all the requirements to successfully build the entire structure being measured in terms of labor, plant, and materials for both budgeted costs and budgeted quantities. The fourth part of the module consists of the construction schedule. These are the areas of my pricing modules that I've been presenting on a regular basis, and Mohammed Meleji has requested for cost breakdowns, internal valuations, cost reports, preparation of preambles, schedule of rates, forecast on costs, and last but not least, cost control processes. I will do my best to show what I have in my modules in summary, and then I will go into detail for each of these processes that he has requested. First up is the Valuation tab, or the Progress Valuation tab. Other quantity surveyors will call this an internal valuation or an interim valuation or a progress claim. This is a precursor to the issuing of the interim certificates, which facilitates payment, or the interim payment, which is part of the payment of the contract as the project progresses. I will have a separate video to illustrate how it is prepared by a quantity surveyor. Next up is the Interim Payment Certificate, normally shortened to IPC amongst the quantity surveyors in my community. So this is a document that is used to present the value of work to be paid for work done at a particular time in the contract, usually on the 25th of every month. It is also a legal document that can be used by contractors when delays in payments arise. This document is normally accompanied by a pro forma invoice, which is for payment details and accounting purposes. Next up is the materials on or off site. At the time that a claim is submitted to the client or the client's representative, there are usually materials that may not have been installed or built to the structure yet. These materials have to be included in the claim so that the contractor recovers on his material purchase costs where a supply and fix agreement exists, and thus they are called materials on or off site and abbreviated MOS. This particular document shows the total value of materials. In some cases, 80% of their purchase price is claimed, as stipulated in Section 1209, subsection E of the Standard Specifications for Road and Bridge Works for State Road Authorities, also known as KOTO. The next stop is the Dayworks. During construction, the engineer may instruct the contractor to carry out works that were not part of the scope of the contract, so these are paid for in what is known as Dayworks. Normally, if the works involve labor or plant or both, then the agreed rate in the schedule of rates for either labor or plant is applied by a factor, usually by 100%, and paid as a day work. To wrap up this episode, the last stop is the site instructions. Once again, the engineer or architect on a project may instruct the contractor to make some changes on site in addition to what was originally designed. These changes normally come with costs from the contractor to the project and are issued as a site instruction. That's it for this episode, folks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and hit that like button. I appreciate your feedback.